No, asibonge naledi, asibonge naku Maputoland. Ukhuluma nomfundisi uLJ Dlamini wakhona la ngaphansi kwebandla iGladness House of God Ministries. We are situated ke khona la ekhoneni lika Anemoon and Begonia ePioneer Park khona la eVryheid. Sike sakhuluma ke nombanjwa okuyena oleader ikomiti le-disability around iZululand. So ke waxhumana nathi njengebandla efuna indawo yokuthi azobambela lo mhlangano oyisemina yabo la sakwazi ukuthi simamukele because nathi njengebandla we are here for i-community and as ibandla kaNkulunkulu we are preaching ubunye kwi-community nokubambisana. So ingakho ke nathi usibona siyingxenye yalo mhlangano wabo wanamhlanje bebezokhetha ikomiti labo. Ngizwe kakhulu ke inkulumo bebeyikhuluma ezakhayo engicabanga ukuthi nathi futhi njengoba bengilalele as a church sifunde okuningi kakhulu to accommodate them even their businesses abo, because we also got abantu okumele balazi leli committee likambanjwa abakwazi ukuthi nabo babe ingxenye yakhona to develop their businesses as well nokuthi bengagcini ngokuthi sibashumayeze but nabo emabhizinisini abo baphinde bakwazi ukuthola usizo.
Mfundisi, just to share some of the few things oyizwile laphaya, what did you hear and kungabasiza ngani?
No, kubalulekile ukuthi mhlambe one as a church kumele njengoba sebekhethiwe ezikomiti bavakashela amasonto just to get that slot of 5 minutes ukuthi bazethule. Sikubone kakhulu kwenziwa ngosopolitiki but nabo njengaleli komiti ukuze bakwazi ukuthi baziwe across iZululand kumele bakwenze. Firstly, they must visit churches bazethule ukuthi bangobani. Ngokwenza lokho we will map a way forward for them ukuthi baziwe across iZululand. And okuhle nakho konke sizwile incomo from ikomiti elikhulu from eThekwini or eprovincini ukuthi hayi eZululand they've make the mark. So lokhu njengoba bezele nje bezobagcwalisa njengekomiti and we know that iZululand will never be the same besebenzisana neprovince.
Mhlonishwa, mhlawumbe sesikhetha ikuphi ongakusho to everyone who's watching right now?
No, siyabonga kakhulu engikushoyo, let us support them, let us accommodate them. Yabona nje isontweni lethu sinaso isilebhu bayakwazi ukungena. Okubalulekileyo nathi masakha amasonto, let us accommodate wonke umuntu. Kungabikho umuntu ongakwazi ukuzokhonza ngoba kunendlela yokuthi ngeke akwazi ukuba amukeleke. Amen.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.